Hey everyone, today I wanted to show a SaaS tool that I started using recently, and I've been super excited about it because it's just been so amazing to use. So this tool is called Apollo.io, and basically it's a combination of a leads database with a email automation platform. So basically you can find your leads or your target customer, your ICP on here, build a list, and then send an automated sequence to them. So you can send a cold email, follow-up email, and then follow-up email, sort of as complicated as you want. You can have different logic, you can have A/B tests, you can do really whatever you want. And there's a lot more in here as well that I haven't used yet, but even just being able to quickly search their database of like millions of leads to find exactly who you need to reach out to, get their emails automatically extracted, and then getting those automated emails up and going, it's just been such a lifesaver. Because earlier this month, I needed to send lots of outreach emails, and I was doing it manually for about 2 weeks. And just to do like 20 a day was so time consuming. It took me hours. But now I've just built my list, set it up in Apollo, and it's basically automated. Every day, I automatically send 50 emails, and it automatically sort of schedules your emails throughout the day so you don't get blocked and run into any sort of trouble with it. And every day it just sends out 50 emails to my targeted lists according to my rules and my predetermined messages. So yeah, it's been super amazing to use. I'll show you quickly what I've been using, and I know there's so much more to the platform that I haven't used yet, but just from what I've used so far, I'm definitely going to be upgrading. So right now, what I use are basically the search as well as the sequences. So search is where you really look for the leads or the people that you want to email. So as an example, I might be targeting social media managers at B2B SaaS companies, right? So what I can do there is I can come to job titles and search the whole database for people whose job titles contain social media manager. I might just say social media, keep it a bit broad. And here, there's already 284,000 people with social media in their title. And here, you've got their emails, like right there. You don't need to sort of do your own guessing or research or anything like that. What's even better is you can actually go to email status and filter for people whose emails is like likely to engage and verify it. So this reduces the chances that your email is going to bounce. And from there, I can, what did I say, social media managers at B2B SaaS. So then I need to filter their company. So potentially it's industry. So they might be software. And now I filter for software. I can also filter for B2B. You can see here they have 20,000 different social media managers for me to reach out to now. So if I wanted to then send a sequence to these people, I would just select all of these people, add them to a sequence, and bam, add them to a sequence, and bam, it just starts adding them to that automated sequence. And like I said before, it will automatically phase them, so my linked email only sends 50 emails per day. So how do you build a sequence? Well, again, super easy. You can go to sequence, press new sequence. You can ask AI to build you a sequence if you're not sure what you're doing. They've got lots of templates. You can clone something you already have, or you can do it from scratch. Pre-formatted. So let's say I'm doing industry-based targeting marketing bias, right? So maybe I'll just press create and customize. And here we go. We've got these 3 emails. One sends on day 1, day 3, day 6. And you can go in and edit them. So hello, first name, blah, blah. Obviously the template variables are here for you to use. Once you're ready, you just activate them all and press active here. And any emails you add into this sequence will automatically be added to the queue. What I've been really liking again is, like, if you've written any sort of cold outreach, you always sort of write it, your first draft, and then you think to yourself, maybe it'd be better if I change the subject line, or if I add this other line. But you never know. Good thing now is you can just add these A/B tests. So for a lot of my sequences, I've got like 3 different email copies, and I've activated all of them, and they will just split your emails automatically. And then after you've let it run for a few days, you can see how they perform. And that way you have a very easy way to experiment with your cold outreach. So results. For me, running this for a few days, I've already booked 2 meetings and I don't even know what I'm doing. Like, I've barely done cold outreach before. My experience was what I said earlier, the 2 weeks prior when I was doing it manually. Yeah, and I've just been super excited by Apollo, so I've been telling everyone I know about it, and I thought I'd make a video about it. If you have any questions or thoughts, comments, if you think I'm doing this all wrong, just leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.